Take a ride in the 2018 Kia Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy, feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, USB connection, fog lamps, electronic stability control, power door locks, power windows, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, leather, alarm, rear spoiler, tire pressure monitoring system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.